Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your virtual environment for your Python projects. It is very important to have a virtual environment for your Python projects because you don't want to install different version of Pythons on your computer, or for every project if you need to change your Python version, it's a headache. So it's better that you have a virtual environment for your Python projects, and when you need to install any packages, any dependencies, it's all within your project. I have a readme file which I'll take you through. So I assume that you already have Python installed on your computer. If not, we can do it on Mac with Homebrew, and this is the command to do that. And if you are on Linux, you can do it with apt-get. The next step, and if you already have Python installed, then let's go to this step. We will make a directory, project directory, cd into our directory. Then we will open it in VS Code or whichever IDE you use. Then we will run this command, python -m venv. This venv is basically the name of your virtual environment. You can give any name. This is usually a default name. Now we activate the virtual environment with this command, and we can also deactivate whenever we want with this command. So when we run this command, as you can see that it creates this directory in your project which has all the required files for the virtual environment. If you want to set different versions for your environment, you need to have Python version manager. To do that, you can install it with these commands. You can install any versions you want. You can check which versions you have, and this is how you set up a global Python version for your computer, and this is how you set up the local version for that project. So when you run this command, it creates this Python version file and it adds which version you want to use in your project. Thank you.